Hey guys, we are in the festive season and this is the favorite most time of the year for me. We have the winters approaching, we have the holiday season approaching, and this gives me enough reasons to shop. But I'm always in the lookout for some discounts, something that can help me save more money because I love to shop and I love to save money. So I like to combine the two together. I have 5 tips that I've been using always and they've been working really well for me in order to save money, get a lot of discounts, get cashbacks, and I really want to share them with you. My tip number 1 is, especially for when I'm shopping for clothing, I always look up to Pinterest, and I always like to do a lot of search as to whether the article that I'm looking for is going to match with my existing wardrobe. Basically, all I try to do is make sure that what I'm looking for can be used in multiple ways so that my cost per wear is very less. For example, if I'm looking for a black blazer or a plated blazer, I'll make sure to go up to Instagram and look for lots of ideas in which I can style that blazer so that I'm sure that what I'm getting is worth the money. The cost per wear is very less, which means that I'm going to wear it more often. So my next tip is, and this is actually my favorite and this works for almost every brand, which is to make use of the welcome discount code. So basically, whenever you go to any brand website, there will always be a pop-up where they'll ask you to enter your email to sign up for their newsletter basically, and they'll reward you with a 10% off discount code. Always make use of this, and sometimes we are just like so used to random pop-ups showing that we subconsciously just let it go, we don't pay attention towards it. But this is the trick, that most of the websites do have a welcome, what do you say, 10% off, 15% off, and sometimes even 20% off, especially if you're shopping for makeup. For example, if you're shopping for Fenty Beauty, instead of going to Sephora, go to Fenty Beauty website. There you will have a welcome pop-up where they'll ask you to register for the newsletter and they'll give you 10 to 15% off. So that's a great tip for all the beauty lovers, but I'm sure this applies to other categories also. So my next favorite tip is to shop from Times Club app, and I say so because they give you cashback every single time, not only for your fashion beauty related shopping but for even groceries. Like, they have every category covered. So this app is basically for everybody. It is not only for fashion or not only for beauty shopping, but I use this, in fact even my husband likes to use it because they have so many categories. They have entertainment, groceries, finance, fashion, travel. That makes not only shopping very easy but also helps you save money because then you're getting cash back. Also, they cover a lot of stores, so there are chances that you are going to find your favorite store on this app, so there's going to be work done. My next tip is to always look ahead of time, because that way you are surely going to get some great deals, and there are chances that the product is that you're looking for ahead of time is going to be on sale. For example, if you're looking for swimsuits for the next season, there are chances that you are not going to find any discount on swimsuits during summers. So it's best to shop for swimsuits during fall or winters for the upcoming season. That way you will get massive discounts. I always like to do this for accessories like wool hats or again swimsuits. That way I get really good quality product, expensive product at a very cheaper rate. And my next and the most important tip is to always shop from brands that have good return or exchange policies, because I don't like to live with a product that I'm not completely satisfied with, be it fashion, be it beauty, be it my household decor. I like to be really satisfied with my purchase, so I always like to shop from brands that give me a good amount of time to study as to whether the product is meeting my needs or not. Of course, this makes your purchase more valuable. So those were my 5 tips. Hopefully that'll really help to make your shopping experience more valuable, more pleasant, money saving, time saving. And if you have any more tips, tricks, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye.